Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video we will discuss about how you can install KdenLive software. So I am using right now KdenLive software in my machine. So I will give you how I have done. I was facing some issue during installation, so what I have done. So before jumping this video, I want to tell you I am using right now Ubuntu 20 versions. Depend on the version you need to check, and also if you don't know how to check Ubuntu version in your machine, you can check my this video which is mentioned in the description area. Also you can get easily your Ubuntu version. And one more thing, suppose before installing this video you need to know about this command, which is sudo apt install. So this command also you can get easily in my description area. So after this you need to enter this command. So once you enter, so because I have already installed, so I don't want to again run this command. So you can directly run this command. After complete this command, you can check by using this button, which is a search, and also you can like type like KdenLive. I think so I'm doing something mistake, which, one second, this is a KdenLive, sorry, let me do that again, KdenLive, because I'm using after 5 or 6 years something Ubuntu machine, so that's why. So yeah, so KdenLive you can use for the video editing purpose in your Ubuntu machine. Also one more thing, and if you don't know how to screen record in Ubuntu, let me know. Definitely I will create a different video for you. And if you have any other questions, please let me know so I can create a video for you. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.